Even a small child in our association, Shamsundar's daughter, she would go to somebody, she was only 5 years old, she would ask, "Do you know Krishna?" So somebody said, "No, I do not." "Oh, Supreme Personality." She would preach like that. So they are convinced, Krishnastu Bhagavan Sam. This conviction is the foremost quality. Then other things will follow. Sarve vidhi nisedasu ritayo riva kinkara. If one is simply convinced on this point that Krishnastu Bhagavan Sam, and it does like that, follows the principle that Krishnaika saran, eto sounds very varnashram dharma. Krishnaika saran, there is one, mamekam saranam. So do that. Stick to this principle that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, truth, and Krishna is all pervading. Maya tatamidam sadvam. Krishna is everywhere. Jagat abhakta murtina, this abhakta. The Krishna's potency is everywhere. Therefore, those who are advanced devotees, they do not see anything else than Krishna. Everywhere he sees Krishna. And that is a fact. Krishna also teaches that I am here. If you cannot conceive that Krishna is everywhere present, the Krishna personally gives you instruction. Here I am. Rasoham apsukauntiya. Everyone is drinking water at least 4 times, 5 times. So at the time of drinking water or drinking anything, if you remember Krishna, then you become purified. Maya sakta, mana pratha, that is yoga, bhakti yoga. If you practice only this, whatever you drink something for some taste. So either you drink sarbat or water or milk or even wine, because if Europeans, Americans, they are accustomed to drink wine. But if they follow this instruction of Krishna, that this taste is Krishna, then he remembers Krishna. Manmana bhavamad bhakta. As soon as he brings Krishna in his mind, he becomes a bhakta. So easy. Anyone can become Krishna bhakta if he follows the instruction of Bhagavad Gita. There is no difficulty. Manmana bhavamad bhakta. This is the simple process. Rasoham apsukantiya prabhatmi sasusuja. This is for ordinary class of men. But if you think that you are very advanced in learning in Vedic literature and Vedic mantras, Krishna says, Pranava sarva vedesu. That pranavankara, Om tad Vishnu paramam padam sada pasyanti. That pranava is Krishna. Pranava sarva vedesu. So either you become a highly learned scholar in Vedic literature, or you are simply an ordinary person. You can think of Krishna and you become successful in your life. There is no difficulty. If you are an ordinary person, every person drinks water or drinks something, let him immediately think of, as soon as he is dead, here is Krishna. Punnagandha pratibhyanch, a flower, a rose flower, very fragrant. So as soon as you smell, you can remember Krishna. This smell is Krishna. Actually, that is Krishna. You cannot create that smell. It is Krishna. Krishna's art. That Punnagandha pratibhyancha, that gandha, that smell, flavor is within the art. Where from the rose is coming? From this art. But instead, the rose is so fragrant. You cannot take out the fragrance from the earth. Everything is there. Sarva kama duha mahi. Everything is within the earth. But you cannot take out. It is Krishna. Parasa Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyate Sadha Vikijnana Balakriyach. He has got this power to extract Punnagandha through the rose flower. You have no. You may be very big chemist, but you cannot do that. So in this way, if you study Krishna, if you become Krishna conscious, then your life is successful. That we are teaching. This is Krishna consciousness movement, and these shastras will help you. But even if you do not read shastra, if you always remember Krishna, impression of Krishna, the temple is made for layman. If no man child, if he sees daily Krishna here, then he gets impression. He can think of Krishna, manmana bhavamad bhakta. Therefore the temple is there. Everyone should come every day, every morning, or as many times as possible, and take the impression of Krishna and keep it within your core of heart. Thank you very much.